How to send a direct message on Twitter or X application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to talk about sending the direct messages on Twitter, which is now called as X application. So first, open your application. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. So whether you can send a direct message depends on the other person's profile settings. For example, if you see a message icon on their profile, that is denoted by the mail icon beside the follow option. And if you tap on that, this will open the conversation page. You can see that this user can only receive messages from the verified profile. So as my account is not verified, I cannot send the messages. But if you go to other person's profile and if you see a message icon over there, you can go ahead and send them a message. To enable direct messages on your own profile, you can go to your profile, then go to settings and support, tap on settings and privacy, then go to privacy and safety. After that, tap on direct messages and then select the audience, either no one, verified users, or everyone, and you'll be done. Now you can send and receive direct messages. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.